I'm just not proud of the mom that I've been lately.
Cheers. So I do not have a healthy relationship with money. Oh no! Oh my god.
Hi, you all. Welcome to my healing diaries. It's no secret if you've been following me for a while through YouTube or Twitch, wherever, I have always been pretty open with how important mental health is to me. And I think I've also been pretty open with just sharing mental health struggles a bit with you all. My intention with sharing these things is to just, I don't want anybody else to have to feel alone in their head. It's really lonely sometimes in your own head, and I just feel like the more we're able to express that and be open with one another, the easier it is to heal. That is the point of the healing diaries right now in my life. I have two young children, and when I say young, I have an almost 1 year old and I have a 2 year old, and I've really been struggling. Like, I'm really struggling, you all. And it's tough because I really enjoy making content, but I really have not been in the headspace to really dedicate my time to it or sit down and talk to you all because, as you can see, my mind is like all over the place and I can't get it together. So thank you for bearing with me. But I just have really been struggling. I've been struggling as a mom. Mom guilt has been heavy. I'm just not proud of the mom that I've been lately. I feel like I'm just more irritable. I feel like I'm just super overstimulated all the time, super overwhelmed, and I feel like it translates to my children, and I don't like that. When I thought about having children in the past, I definitely wanted to always be intentional with being the best version of myself so my children get that version of me. And I have not been sticking to that intention. I think that's the biggest wake up call for me. Lately, I've been waking up feeling really down lately, or I get really overwhelmed with like really simple tasks. And it's like an everyday occurrence. It's not just like today's a bad day. It's kind of just been, everything's been blurring into each other. And I have to just be real with myself that this is probably one of the worst time periods for my mental health. And I can't keep going on day to day feeling like this. I don't feel like I've seen enough representation with moms specifically in their 30s going through like the healing journey. So that's what I'm here to do. I think life is already hard, and then being a parent on top of it is harder. And this is my choice. I don't want anybody to feel bad for me. I wanted my children, they're here. They're beautiful, they're amazing, they're the greatest additions to my life, but I am in a space now where I feel like I am losing myself in motherhood while also struggling with the fact that I just don't feel like I know myself well enough, and I don't feel like I treat myself well enough, and that has to change. I feel like it's all encompassing, right? It's funny. It's not funny, but I had the epiphany that the reason why I'm struggling with just being committed to being a better me is because I just don't have the tools right now in my mind to do so. Instead of beating myself up about it, the best way to go about it is by getting help, like seriously getting help. So lately I've been praying more and just thinking about strengthening my relationship with God. So I recently purchased a study Bible. Yeah, I really want to just lean on God more because I just feel like I'm not able to do this by myself. It's been proven. I'm still here, struggling, and more now than ever. So I really need to lean on Him. And I also really, truly need to find a therapist. One day recently, I tweeted how I really freaking need therapy, but it's so expensive. And I had a couple friends reach out to me with resources, which I really appreciated. Thank you. And I've also been looking on psychologytoday.com. I feel like the journey of finding a therapist is very personal, and so I'm not going to share much, but if you are looking for therapy or you have thought about it, I definitely suggest it from somebody who really is seeking it and needs it, even if you feel like things aren't that bad. I just feel like having a therapist, if you can afford it, is amazing. Even though you may think that it's expensive, you might be able to find some affordable options that are really helpful for you. I wanted to share quickly Psychology Today and just how easy it is for you to find a therapist. In your area with your insurance, there's so many filters. So outside of therapy, outside of my relationship with God, and outside of motherhood, my relationship with my body has not been healthy for as long as I can remember. And that's something I really, really, really need to heal and work on. I've been a little open about that on my channel and just with starting weight loss journeys and whatnot. And then here I am again, and I haven't worked out in probably a month now. I just want to be completely transparent. It does feel embarrassing to like admit to that, but it's real. And I know I'm not the only person on this earth who's started a weight loss journey a million times and had to restart a million times. I need to process more trauma from childhood and just throughout my life. I need to have a better relationship with money and finances. I need to strengthen my friendships and my community. I have a lot to work on, and I'm really needing to commit to that. So that is what this is. It's accountability, it's documentation of just this crazy journey, just trying to be a better me. I don't know what you're struggling with right now, but what I want you to know is that I'm rooting for you. And while you watch these videos, I hope that you also are working to be the best version of yourself and to loving on yourself more. I hope that in some way we can inspire each other and hold each other accountable, because we're all human and we all go through shit and life is hard. And I just feel like these are the types of conversations we don't have with others, really digging into our struggles. I could use for a cheerleader or two or three. I don't know about you, but I'm here to cheer for you and root for you on this journey as well. Let's work on being better to ourselves and for ourselves. I think it's time. It's definitely time. Let's do the damn thing and start this journey of just having a healthier mind, healthier body, healthier you, healthier me, healthier we. Okay. If you plan on joining me during this healing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and give this video a thumbs up. And if there's something that you're trying to work on in your life newly, or just something that you have been continuously working on, share it in the comments if you feel called to do so. And with that, I just want to say, take care of yourself, be kind to yourself. I appreciate you. Bye. Yeah. Today is Wednesday, so I'm working from home with the little one, and he is not feeling so well. He's very clingy today. He's congested. So I'm about to call his doctor to see if they have any openings possibly today to see him and just make sure everything's good. This Wednesday, like this morning so far, I'm feeling optimistic. I'm feeling a little more determined than I have been lately. So he recently came there for sinus infection, and I'm thinking it's starting to be the same thing. I would love to come in today if possible. We're going to the doctor's today, baby. So it's 9:36 right now, and we made his appointment for 11. I'm just nervous because that's basically nap time for Jonah. I truly have been working hard to be intentional with remembering to eat. I don't know about any other parents or caregivers, but when taking care of my kids, taking care of myself is always put on the back burner. Good bud. Good bud. I can't continue that because it just makes for having a terrible day, and I want less bad days moving forward. So I've been trying to work in taking care of myself and my kids at the same time. So if that means having my kid be a little bit more clingy and crying for a couple of minutes so I can make myself some food while they are also eating, that is what we have been doing lately. And how cute is it to be able to just enjoy food together?
Hi. Right. Gentle.
Okay, so it's 12 p.m. and we just got back from the doctors. So basically, Jonah doesn't have a sinus infection like I thought was possible, but he has seasonal allergies basically. But I'm not gonna talk too long. I need to go ahead and take a really quick shower before Jonah wakes up because I don't think his nap is gonna be that long. So I'm gonna hurry up and take a shower and I'll talk to you all in a little while. 1:15 p.m. I wanted Jonah to have more space to explore, so we came downstairs. I brought my MacBook down, I plugged it up to the TV, and I'm gonna try to edit. The lengths I have to take to edit as a mom. Okay, it's 5:34 p.m. and I didn't get much editing done because my boss was not allowing me. And when I say my boss, I mean my 11-month-old son. You have to put them on your head. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo. You didn't have to throw my freaking headphones. Wait, you have a booger on your ear. What the heck's going on? This is the boogeyman. All right, now say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy Thursday. I'm outside of a bakery right now because my husband needed me to pick up some cupcakes. What better excuse to get cupcakes for yourself than to make a cupcake delivery? I have to show you all what kind of cupcakes we got. I'll show you that before they're eaten. I wanted to just talk to you all really quickly about my relationship with money. So I spoke previously about the healing diaries and how I want to just touch on all of the things that I feel like need improvement in my life. My mental health, my relationship with my body, my relationship with food, etc., etc. One of the things I wanted to work on is my relationship with money. So I do not have a healthy relationship with money. I'm kind of an avoidant, I'm realizing, when it comes to money. So I kind of like, if I don't see it, it's not happening. You know, like if I don't open my bank app, then that means there's money in there. You don't have to look at it. Don't look at it. Don't worry about it, because if you look at it, it's going to stress you out, whatever. And it's just like this stupid cycle of doing that and then not realizing how much money I actually have in my account. Without going into too much detail, I'm definitely well in debt for student loans and credit card debt, and I'm not proud of this, and I'm tired of being avoidant. It's not going to be beneficial for me, my family, so I need to change it. So on Monday, me and Marcus met with a financial advisor. That experience in itself just like made me realize I'm definitely an avoidant. You know, when I'm being asked about how much is in, like around how much is in your bank account, or how much are you paying for this bill, and how many subscriptions are you, and it's just like, damn, these are all things I was answering I don't know. And I was like just really disappointed at myself for that. That was just eye-opening in itself, at how much I'm not paying attention to when it comes to my money and where it's going. I just wanted to share that with you all, because as I go along this journey with this financial advisor, I'm going to be sharing what I learned with you all. Definitely something to think about if you too do not have a good relationship with money like myself. Let's stop being ashamed or feeling guilt or whatever the negative feelings that come up with it, and let's just tackle it and work on it. How about that? So I'm rooting for you. Please root for me. Let's get our money together in 2024. Okay? Cool. Okay, before Marcus gets here to pick up these cupcakes, let me show you all what I got for his coworker. Oh no! Oh my God.